G'day, good morning. It's Fish the Beach Bum Investor here on the 31st of August, last day of winter here in Australia, which I'm happy about. Just going to simulcast because Jordan likes that word so much. G'day Tondi. Just going to simulcast on Steemit to get the conversation going about crypto today. Won't be 1 second. Live crypto chat, just for Jordan, simulcast on Steemit. Live crypto chat simulcast on Steemit. I'm a bit early today. Came in 10 minutes early. Oh, I can rub it on for a bit before everyone gets here. We know that. Live crypto chat simulcast on Steemit. And I'll just quickly flick the link in there and then we can get underway with the chat. Won't be a second. There's probably a much more efficient way to do this, which I will learn soon. But for now, I'll grab this. Stop on that. That gets the chat up as well. Doo-doo-doo. Yeah, so the economy's been looking pretty good overnight, actually. One of the ones that I noticed taking a huge run up was Verge. Verge, I've been holding a bit because I bought it a while back and just noticed massive run up on that, like 50% in the last 24 hours. We'll check on the exact price in a second. Currency news. Okay, cool. Just going to post that on there. Hopefully we'll get a few more over for the convo. Yeah, so let's start by taking a look at the economy in general. I'll just do a quick refresh on coinmarketcap.com. That's what I like to go to get my information on where the coins are sitting. Current market information, including volumes, actually. A really important thing to look at when you're looking at trading crypto. It's the market volumes and also the origin, so which country it's coming from. So as has been a common theme this week, again, I'm reporting at the highest I've seen it, 167 billion for the overall market cap in the crypto economy. Really, really good figures. BTC dominance is at 45.2%, and Bitcoin itself is sitting at $4,565 a coin. So it has retraced 0.5% off those highs of 4,600, just a touch over actually. It's quite an amazing run from Bitcoin. I'm not looking to get back into Bitcoin at the moment. I think it is overbought. Just my opinion. I think we could see significant retracement on that over the next couple of months before the next big bull run. So that's my opinion. And when I say a couple of months, this space does tend to move quicker than I ever predicted. So, yeah. Ethereum's been doing really, really well. 378.22. It's held how good. BC is good store of wealth, though. Oh, yeah, for sure, Slice Keeper. G'day, how are you? Yeah, I do. Bitcoin, long-term, great store of wealth. That's the game they should be playing. As I've suggested before, every time we take profit on a trading platform, generally we're taking it back into BTC. So, yeah, going forward, great store of wealth. I just think at this particular point in time, it's had a huge run. You think about it, from $2,000 just before the fork to 4,565. That's massive growth. And like, what was pushing it through that double cap at 4,400? That's what I'm confused with. So usually when something double tops like that, like it went up to 4,400, went back down to 3,850, hit 44 again and started back down to like 42, 41 before it started getting bought up again. Might have even been fall flat. But my point is it doesn't usually bust through that quickly. Within a couple of days it's gone past that 4,400 resistance and found further resistance at 4,600. So yeah, it'd be another fork also. Slice Keeper, this is the question, mate. This is the question that the Bitcoin Cash fork opens up. Not only will there be one more fork, but how many more forks? Because realistically, if they're going to fork over something as insignificant as the solutions they had to scalability issues going forward, which is, you know, how they're going to overlay the SegWit and blockchain size and that sort of thing. But the reality is there's much more for them to work on than just that if they want to be competitive as a currency, in my opinion. Because as I've suggested, and I'm not just PIVX plugging, Litecoin do a better job as a currency, Dash do a better job as a currency, PIVX do a better job as a currency. So I think Bitcoin really needs to focus on that store of wealth decision and say, you know what? We were here first. We're the store of wealth. All the trading platforms already use us anyway. Yeah, so that's, again, making advice to a $75 billion market cap coin seems a little bit cheeky, but I just think there's better currencies out there. So yeah, act as a store of wealth and continue to go up because of it. I do like Bitcoin. Everyone knows that. So yeah, Bitcoin's done well. Amazing actually to punch through that resistance. Litecoin continuing on strong growth. $64.28 a coin. Oh, thanks, Universal Vibes. Good to see you in the house. Welcome to the chat as always. Yeah, so that's my... Look, it's great to see Litecoin gaining. I think, you know, like I said, g'day, mate. Yep. I think a lot of my mates who are getting into crypto now are actually buying in through LTC. They're starting their venture with their blue chip being, hey, dog, what's up, man? You always leave a like. You're awesome. You know, it's funny, though. I was doing some promo stuff for, like, I was looking through some old footage, and I've never actually watched my heat that I got knocked out in at the World Championships. And because I'm trying to find footage and stuff for the PIVX guys to use, I went and watched the World Championships from 2015 last night. And, yeah, it was quite confronting watching yourself get knocked out and not surf to the best of your ability. But it was yeah, it was really funny to go back and just think, oh, I should have done this and should have done that even 2 years later. I don't know where I was going with that. Probably just rambling as usual. So, yeah, Litecoin, really good gains. A lot of people getting into the economy through Litecoin as their blue chip now. I do think that's smart, actually, if you've got a choice. Because, like, if you come in through, what's it called? Coinbase? Litecoin may be hooking up with a major retail outlet. Which one, do you know? Universal Vibes TV? That's really cool news. Thank you for bringing that to the table, as usual. I love hearing the little bit of extras from you guys and girls. So, that's cool news. Yeah, Litecoin's been killing it. And, like, begins with A... Oh, Amazon, yeah? We're playing Hangman now. Starts with A, ends with N. That's the clue I've been given. So I'm going to go with Amazon. I know Amazon have been sort of getting into the crypto space a bit, so... I'm going to guess Amazon. I could be wrong. Universal TV's playing cryptic clues here. But it's cool to hear. You know, that's whether you're a Litecoin fan or whether you're just a crypto fan, that's good news. It's wider adoption. Not confirmed. Cool. Thanks, Universal Vibes. Cool rumour though, man. We'll keep an eye on that. Buy the rumour, sell the fact. So yeah, I like it, man. I'm holding about like 5 or 6 Litecoin at the moment. Strong rumour. Cool, man. We'll definitely keep an eye on that. Yeah, so I'm holding about 5 or 6 Litecoin. I do use it for trading over at Cryptopia because they allow the LTC trade. I'm not hitting as many as I used to. I don't have that many followers. I'm sure it wasn't my tip that's ruined my own profitability on the LTC trades. I haven't really hit a buy or sell for a long time on the LTC buy or sell books there. Anyway, it's doing well. How's Monero? What a run up. We were talking about that on the couch with my bodyboarding mates when they were here. And Sully's saying, oh,